What if one day you turn on the tap and nothing comes out?
No water.
No rain. Rivers are dry. In a future of droughts and water wars, scientists are already asking a shocking question. What if we had to manufacture water?
It sounds impossible, but humanity already has several technologies that can literally create drinkable water from almost nothing. Today, more than 2 billion people already live in regions suffering from severe water scarcity. Climate change, population growth, and pollution are putting enormous pressure on Earth's freshwater supply. Some experts even warn that future conflicts may be fought over water instead of oil. But human innovation might provide unexpected solutions, because water can be produced. Believe it or not, the air around you contains water.
Even in dry climates, the atmosphere holds billions of tons of water vapor. Scientists have developed machines called atmospheric water generators.
These devices pull humidity from the air and condense it into clean drinking water, just like morning dew forming on grass. Some advanced systems can produce hundreds of liters per day from thin air. Imagine entire cities drinking water made from the sky.
Another powerful solution is desalination.
The oceans contain 97% of Earth's water, but it's too salty to drink. Desalination plants use advanced filters and pressure systems to remove salt and minerals. Countries like Saudi Arabia and Israel already produce massive amounts of fresh water this way.
Some modern plants can generate millions of liters of drinking water every day. But scientists are still working to make this process cheaper and more energy efficient. Here's something surprising. Some deserts hide water inside rocks.
Special minerals called hydrated minerals trap water molecules within their structure.
With heat and technology, scientists can extract this hidden moisture. In fact, researchers are studying this method for future missions to Mars, where astronauts might produce water directly from Martian soil. At the most fundamental level, water is simply two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom.
If you combine them correctly, you can literally create water.
In controlled environments, scientists can trigger this reaction to form pure HO.
The challenge is energy. The reaction releases huge amounts of heat, making it difficult and expensive to control on a large scale.
But in extreme situations, it could become a last resort method for producing water. The future of water may not depend only on rivers, lakes, or rain.
It might depend on technology.
Machines that pull water from air.
Factories that turn seawater into freshwater.
Or even systems that chemically create water from basic elements.
In a world facing drought and water conflicts, these innovations could mean the difference between survival and catastrophe. Water has always been the foundation of civilization.
But in the future,
humanity might not just find water. We might have to create it.